In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unused elements in Base44. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly clean up your design or layout and keep your workspace organized. This is especially helpful if you've been experimenting with different components and now want to get rid of the ones you no longer need. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you've opened the specific app or project you want to edit. Once you're in the right place, look for the option called Visual Edit. This is usually located in the main editor area or toolbar. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This mode lets you see your page or screen the way your users would, while still giving you access to editing tools. After Visual Edit loads, you'll see your layout with all the elements displayed. Text blocks, images, buttons, sections, and other components. Now take a moment to identify which element you want to remove. This might be something like an old banner, a placeholder section, or any component that's no longer relevant. Next, hover your cursor over the element you want to delete. When you do this, you should see some kind of highlight, outline, or selection box appear around it. Click once on the element to select it. You'll know it's selected when the editor shows its boundaries clearly, and you might also see a small toolbar or options panel appear either above, beside, or around the element. With the element selected, look for the delete controls. In Base44, this is typically represented by a trash can icon or a button labeled delete. This might appear in a floating toolbar near the element or in a panel on the side of the screen, depending on your layout. Carefully click the trash icon or the delete option. When you do this, the element will be removed from your layout. In some cases, the platform may ask you to confirm the deletion, especially if it's a major section. If a confirmation message appears, just review it briefly and then confirm that you want to delete. After deleting, scan your page to make sure everything looks correct and that no spacing or alignment issues were introduced. If your editor supports undo, remember that you can use it to restore the element if you remove the wrong one by mistake. And that's it. You've successfully removed an unused element in Base44.